Look at my little, oh my god, ignore it. Oh my god. Right, basically, I just fed my spider, which means, have a guess where we're going. Don't look without looking at the title, heading. I don't know what they're called. Don't look at the title. Where do you think we're going? If you guessed Thailand before you looked at the title, then you're right, because we're going. And not only are we going, rude, we're going now. So guys, we're in the parking. Yes, queen. They try and deal stuff. This one. So guys, slight problem. I'm getting up close and personal because everybody's all around. Look at everybody. Right. Oh. Basically, our flight was at 8:45, meant to be, and it's 8:42 now, and they've just delayed our flight till 10:30, which means that we're now delayed by an hour and a half ish, if not more, hour and 45 minutes, which means that we're gonna now miss our connecting flight by about 15-20 minutes the other end. So we've got a £7.50 Starbucks voucher.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Star Alliance Air India AI 162 London to Delhi. We regret to announce delay in the departure. As of now, we are maintaining our departure at 10:30. I repeat, 10:30 a.m. Meal voucher has been activated on your boarding passes that can be used at T2A site at Pret, Chancery and Starbucks for £7.50 each guest. Thank you.
It's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. Mum's seeing when the next flight is and what we're gonna fucking do. So, I don't know if you can hear me properly. Our connecting flight from Delhi to Thailand has been cancelled because we missed it. So now I have to wait 9.5 hours in New Delhi airport till the next flight, and then we land in Phuket at 7:30 at night. Oh my god. Look at all the people that are going to Thailand as well. Hey guys, I'm changing into my shorts, but it has officially been about 8.5 hours now, which is a lot of hours. And we're boarding in about half an hour, so I'm taking that off because it's not my top half that's coming off. And it's a 4-hour flight to Thailand. Hopefully they're like, oh, jet stream's fast today, like we caught tailwinds, it was 3 hours 45 or something, you know, so we get there a bit quicker. The only food available on the last flight was vegetable green Thai curry, or just like normal chicken curry. I didn't really know what to go for because obviously shouldn't really have curry because it's not very good for my stomach. Guys, we're about to start boarding. I'm trying so hard right now to stay awake. I'm finding it so hard to stay awake. I thought we were getting hijacked and what we were just chatting about. We're here, guys, we're here. Aircon. Yummy. Right, let's go. Oh, it's freezing. That's just what I need. Absolute. Oh, it's the same as last time. It's the stuff. Guys, you'd think I live here. Oh, you'd actually think I live here. I know what everything is. Oh, I can't open it. My little. No, just a tap. My God. Go see the bathroom. Wow. That's massive. I could lie down on the floor in that. Room tour. So there's this little makeup area for me to get ready. A toilet. Oh. Cute. And there's this. We want a mini fridge. Should we check the mini fridge? Refreshments. Oh, lovely. Refreshments. That. Bed. Tiny bed. And balcony. This is my day one outfit. Shoes of the day. Yay! Guys, look at my juice collection. This is guava juice and this is strawberry juice. This one tastes like pineapple juice but likes the kiwi in it. But it hasn't, it's just guava. And this I haven't tried yet. So guys, we're walking to the piggies. Piggies! Oh, it's changed since I was last here. It's different. Smaller. Mm. Oh, it's in there. Hey guys, I'm at the beach. Oh, there's water coming out of there. Oh, can you hear the locusts? I'm at the bakery. This is what they got. They've got honey lemonade. Oh, that sounds nice. Passion fresh. I'm assuming. I know that's. Alpha. Hello. Yummy. We got chicken burrito. I made this out of all the pool flowers. Hi guys, me and Mum are at boutique painting. This is the one I've chosen. 2 little fishies and a little starfish. I don't know what these are. I think they're just like rocks and a little sea cucumber. And then this is the little station we got. So yeah, I have no inspo, so I'm just going to freehand. Guys, I'm just finishing off my painting, and it was so cute. This little girl comes over and she was like, "That's nice," and I was like, "Oh, thanks." And then she went over to her mum because they were literally sat just there, and she goes to her mum. She was like, "Oh, that lady's done a really good job." I was like, "Oh, that's so cute." Guys, this is my masterpiece. bear in mind we're on the first day. Where's the third one? There. This is so not on. So not on. We're going to the market. Yay! You'll live. Yay! Guys, I'm in search for the lava cake in 7-Eleven. The lava cake and vitamin water. Is that it? I don't know. Oh, lava cake. Found it. That one says matcha though. I don't know if I want the oh, there we go. Lava cake. They don't. Oh dear. That was not me, but I'm gonna stack them anyway. Just to these. Oh, what we're looking for. These are good. Chocolate purd. Thank you. That's nice. Okay, Mum is trying to make one of these. We're in a tuk-tuk. And a pink one. And I can connect to the Wi-Fi. Let's go. Hey guys, this is the fit of the day. I'm trying this little like swoopy. Never mind guys, I changed my mind. I think it looks better with two. Don't know. So guys, I decided to straighten the front bits because they were pissing me off. Decided to bring my GoPro because we're going to we're going to Elephant Beach today, which is basically in the name a beach with elephants on it. There. But it's like their home, so they just have visiting hours in the day where you can go, and they just free room, and then you just hope for the best. And then we're going after that to an elephant sanctuary. Now, yes, I do an animal course, so obviously I've had a look at ethical options, and some may differ that not all of them are, that none of them are ethical options. We'll see how that goes. But there's also elephant riding, but me and Mum were both like, no, we're not going to do that because that's not fair on the elephants. Oh, look at the little elefante. Aww, he's so cute. Hey! Get some bananas.
In the world of us, we have two types of it. We have this one is African. This one is Asian elephant. Okay. So, but in Thailand, we have only this one. We don't have African elephant in Thailand. Cheek, shoulder, okay. The parts of the body like the side, belly, okay. No legs. Okay. Legs, mountain.
Look at all the pineapples. Guys, we've got sugar cane. Elephant. Oh. These are the elephants' 5 rights to freedom in animal welfare. Guys, we're in 7-Eleven. Look at all the movies they have. 3D shots. I might have to get one of those. I love a 3D shot. You know, they're like the things they sell at Disney. They're like little ice cream dots, dip dots. Hey, double chocolate croissant. Soft chocolate cake. That looks good. This is the current pick. Cheetos and cake. So guys, we're in the spa. You excited? Are you excited? Oh, tea. Thank you. Yay. My dad dabbing ourselves up with a cold towel. This is that. Oh my god! Look at all the stuff you got. Smile. No. Hey vlog. Oh, you can see the moon in the back. Why did you look that way?
Because I thought it was over there and then I realised it was over there.
I thought I'd share with you guys a moment of small, if not lack of IQ today from Elephant Sanctuary. Basically, oh fuck's sake.
I'm eating.
Quieten down a bit, guys. I'll tell you now. Ow. Really bad pain in my back then. Oh, awesome. Oh, okay, awesome. Basically, when we went to the elephant thing today, you could the first one was like a beachfront, and they have the sanctuary up the hill somewhere where the elephants sleep and stuff, but they bring the elephants down for people to stroke and feed, and then you can take photos with them, and then they've trained them to do trips and stuff, blow water at you or stuff, and you can also sit on them, but we didn't do that because obviously that's not good for the elephants, so we didn't do it. And before anyone goes, oh, that doesn't do anything because it's still riding the elephants, it's actually one less person. Shut your fucking mouth. Anyway, and me and Mum were getting ready for our term, and this lady comes up and says to the other lady that was running it or was managing that day, she was like, oh, how was it? And the lady was like, that was awful, that was the worst thing ever, that was a waste of $75. And the lady was like, oh my god, what happened? Are you okay? What can we do? And the lady was like, that was so bad. The elephant wasn't doing what it was told. The man wasn't doing anything about the elephant, and I couldn't get any good pictures because the elephant wasn't doing what I wanted it to. I was like, bitch, we're talking about the same thing here. We're talking about the largest land mammal on Earth that are actually native to the wild, and you expect him to put his fucking thumbs up for your photo. I don't think that's how it works, babes. I don't think that's how it works. Mum's got two. Fatty. Salmon sperm, nice.
You say this, I'll be 20 years younger after this, right?
Yeah, if it works, you don't get a chemical reaction across your whole face. Good morning, guys. Morning. I don't know what day it is. I think number 2, maybe number 3. I think it's 3 actually. I just had my first line of the holiday. It was brilliant. It's really nice. Really enjoyed that. And it is currently 10:30. So Mum is already by the pool. Oh, look at the little flower. I want one. I'm gonna pick one. Cute. Mum is already by the pool. So she mentioned a drink from the bakery the other day that she wanted to try. So I'm gonna go and get that for her. Oh, lovely flower. Look at my little flower. Yes, I'm gonna go and get that drink. Probably get myself another honey lemonade, and then go and find Mum at the pool. Oh, butterfly. Also, I need to go and get my batik painting on the little tote bag I did the other day. I need to go and get it because they needed to put the finishing oil on it, and I was meant to get it yesterday and I forgot. we gonna help him? Hey guys, we're on the beach. Mum said she wants a video, and I don't know what to say. But we're dead. Jellyfish! Jellyfish. We are at the crocodile bar. We got our drinks. That is exactly like an apple spread. Steak sandwich. Oh, that looks nice. That looks so nice. Yum. So guys, on today's episode of Saving Nature, I can't tell if that's alive or not. Hold on. We're going to the spa again. My oil. This is my oil.
Would you like to take it with you?
Guys, we're going to dinner. We're going to Three Monkeys. Guys, we're here. Loki smells like weed. Fucking hell, Mum. Do you want a few more?
Yes, I do.
She's just taking the entire stock down here.
Ooh la la la.
Oh, there's a third one at the back.
No, I don't need that.
Look at that. All the hornets, and it's killed them all. I've got no room left. That is my worst fucking nightmare. Toner?
Toner.
Oh,
right,
toner.
Booster, that'll do.
Oh yeah, go on then.
Clear nose, dark spot. Yeah.
Fit me powder. That's lovely.
Collagen. Oh, I tell you, I will be stored up, baby.
Guys, look. I got that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's getting worse. This thing is so annoying. It's been there the entire time. Anyway, it's currently 11:30 in the morning, my time. So
It's okay.
is he sleeping? Guys, look what we found. We're not gonna touch it because it might kill it. It's raining. Guys, ignore how I look, but it is just thunderstormed so bad. But everyone's just sat in the pool, and my lash is coming off. Oh, a little bit, yeah. My plan right now is to raid my mum's drawer. In case any Thai people were wondering where everything's gone in 7-Eleven, my mum's bought it all. So, right. She told me to get one of these because it's good, and then I need to translate it to Thai. I think it's day 4 actually. Day 4, and we are going to the markets just to get some clothes. We're going shopping. We're back again, but we're looking for the toilet and some bags. Guys, we're currently bag shopping. Hey guys, this is my little outfit of the day. Don't know if you can see, I'm trying to put my fucking shoe on. It's my little outfit of the day. I got these little penny things yesterday, and I low-key love them. Let me turn the light off. I decided to do some makeup because, have I got everything? Phone, bag, that, yeah. I decided to put makeup on because we're doing this lily pad drone thing today, which is where, if you search it up, we won't have to because I'll obviously put videos in, but so you like lie on a lily pad. Our guide has just stopped us here, so let's have a look. Look how pretty this is, but look! I'm coming, baby! I'm coming! Hello! Oh! No. Come on. Oh my Christ, I can't cope. Oh, look at your little face. Oh, take care, boy. Boy? Hero? Yay! Oh, don't know what it is, but that's cool. Guys, look! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! You're so cute! Look at the little babies! Hi! Oh, is he so cute? Look at your little face! I can't go. I wouldn't try come up there, it's a bit slanted. Oh, is he so cute? You having a lovely time? Cozy? Oh my god, look at the one in the little coat, I can't cope. Oh my god. Hello! Oh, bunny rabbit babies. What is this? Oh my god, pony. Shit, dumb pony. Hello! Hello, beautiful. I love horses. Their little noses feel so cute. There's some peacocks. Wow. Oh, little bunny wummy. Wee. Guys, it is, I don't know what day it is, but I'm getting to breakfast. Mum's already gone down, so I'm not wearing any makeup today because I can't literally bother. Guys, I'm currently going to sit on the rocks on the beach. Woo! Although it is hot as a witch's coochie out here. I can't film my toes. There we go. Look how pretty. Because there is crabs on these rocks, as I know from past experience. Yeah, see, look, all the little mini crabs down there fighting for their lives. They're like, oh, human. Look, oh, look. Whole family. We're going to dinner to our beach club. We're here. Guys, look how pretty the sunset is. Oh, it's not much of a sunset. But wow. It's like yellow. Oh, I can't see it. Oh my god. Hey guys. We're back in a trolley transfer van. And we are going to another beach club. Don't know what it's called, but we're going to a beach club. to try. It says bale fruit juice. It says that it's very good for all kinds of stomach disorders. It looks like apple juice. That's the stuff that they have in the spa. I know it is. I have 2 entire cups here of chocolate Swiss. Just gonna start the morning off in the right way. Ignore how I look, but me and Mum I just ordered food from this Thai supermarket called Villa Market, and he's currently coming on his little bicycle to reception, so we'll see if it works. It worked!
Can't change channel and she's nothing.
Hey guys, quick update. Hello. Quick update. I just did my hair real quick. Last night I had really bad sunstroke. Because as I will show you, it doesn't look bad, but promise you, it was awful. Literally everything I ate went straight through me. Just TMI just exists around here. Felt sick. Couldn't really lay down. Was going through hot and cold flushes. Was having the jitters. There was a lot going on. I will never get bored of this view. Hey though, it's so cool.
Yeah.
You got the same. Have you got the same as last time?
Unique kind of essential oil again.
Ooh.
And if you do
Just
it at home,
oh, I could do it at home actually. That'd be fun. Although it's all in Thai, so I'll have to translate.
yeah.
Look at the bathroom, guys. I made it. It smells really nice. And not only has she bought, she's bought the entire box at 7-Eleven.
100 baht. 100 baht.
which
That's
is
like ridiculous.
How much is 100 baht?
I don't know.
Like a pound?
No.
Hey vlog. I feel like I haven't updated you guys in a long time. I am currently back at the room. It is 12 o'clock and I'm making some lunch while trying to put my phone up somewhere. We went to 7-Eleven yesterday when we were out for dinner. I got this. I translated it and it's like, it's just spicy noodles, but you obviously don't have to have the spicy bit because it's in like a sachet. Where then? Oh, be careful. Oh, you did the baby. Oh, what a fuck. Ah, little face. Ah. Sorry, oh, it's a bit bad quality, but can't really do much about that. I'm going back to the room now. I just realised it was actually our last day. Hell no, I just saw a cockroach. Ooh, it was like my worst fear. This is the last time we'll be seeing this view. I'm walking up this not really a hallway, is it? It's more of a pathway, that's what it is. Pathway, seeing the scary thing that looks like a lady, but it's actually not. Going around here. Saying hi to this little guy. You saw that, right? You saw that. No, he's going in my room. Now, my plan is to have a fucking wait. And now, take the flower out of there and put it there again. Okay, fine. Then I'll put it on the side. And I'm going to check the mini fridge. because oh, Snickers bar! Finally! And now, while Mum is up at reception, she's currently just paying off the last bits of the holiday. We're going to take our last look at this. Yeah. Actually, if she's paying it off, then I can't order on the room. I'm gonna have to ask her to order it. Okay, I'm gonna call room service. I just called Mum, and she said that she's just gonna put it on the orders list. So we'll see what they say. Hi, I was just wondering if I could order a mango sticky rice to the room. Is that okay? Yes. 410. Yes, perfect. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. I want to know if this is the thing that everyone's parents do on holiday. We're packing to leave, and look, there's all of that left. This is basically entirely still full. And Mum said just leave it here. What? It's just gonna go in the bin. If we take it with us, I can use that to wash my hair when we get back home. I don't understand why we're leaving it. I don't understand.